Have you ever imagined creating breathtaking digital art with just a few clicks? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into the incredible capabilities of PixVerse AI, the ultimate tool that will revolutionize your digital art creation process. This new tool will completely change your digital art game. Welcome back to the channel. Digital art can be both time-consuming and technically challenging. But PixVerse AI makes it super easy, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create stunning digital art using this incredible tool. Let's get started.
You can get started in the web or in the Discord community, and we're going to select Get Started in the Web, and we'll be redirected to this page where there are so many popular videos that have been created by other content creators. You can preview any of the videos that have been created right here. So let's preview this one. So you can see how beautiful the videos look. Let's go back and let's preview another video that has been created by other content creators. These images look really realistic. Something else that you're able to do when you preview the videos that have been created by others is that you can be able to recreate this video. So to recreate the video, you can just click on Go Create, and PixVerse is going to recreate the video for you. So you can see that our video has been recreated. So let's play this video and get to see it. It looks so realistic. It looks really stunning. To start off generating your own video, you're going to click on Create. And PixVerse has an option of generating a video from text or from image. I'm going to show you how to go about the two of them, but you're going to start off with text. So you're going to click on text and you're going to enter a prompt. I'm going to enter a prompt here. I'm going to say a cute kitten. And the negative prompt is going to be violent scenes. Violent scenes. And I'm going to choose a style of realistic. PixVerse gives you the option of choosing the style that you'd want for your video. So realistic for me, and I'm going to choose an aspect ratio of 16:9, and I'm going to select a seed number, and I'm going to click on Create. Our video has now been generated, and you can see how realistic it is. So let's play this video. It looks stunning. It looks really good. So if you'd want to recreate it again, you can just go ahead and recreate it, or you can ask it to retry and regenerate using the same prompts that you had given it earlier. Let's try the second method of generating videos using images. And to do that, you're going to click on Image, so image right up here, and you're going to upload an image from your computer. So I'm going to upload one image right here. So my image has been uploaded, and we're going to enter a prompt, and my prompt is a couple having a conversation. And once that is done, I'm going to leave the camera motion as is, and I'm going to come over here to the motion strength, and I'm going to leave it again at 0.55, and I'm going to change the seed number, and you're going to change the HD quality. So I'm going to click on this button here so that PixVerse AI can generate HD quality videos for me. And once you're done, you're going to click on Create. Our video has been generated, so let's preview this video. Let's get to see how it looks like. So this is the video that has been generated by PixVerse using the image that we just uploaded. Go ahead and retry using the same prompts if you'd want to. We can recreate again and input different prompts for your images. So you can see that PixVerse AI is a really cool tool, and given that they have a free plan, And with this free plan, you get initial credits of 150 and 50 credits every single day. If you'd want to go with the paid version, you'll have to pay only $5 a month and you'll be able to get 500 daily new credits and monthly new credits of 5,000. Isn't it amazing? That wraps up our exploration of PixVerse AI, a groundbreaking tool that ignites the spark of creativity with the power of AI. Do you have any questions, comments, or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, keep creating with PixVerse AI.